A very good morning to you, my dear students. Hope you all are healthy, fit and fine, and your family members are too also in their pink of the health. Now, my dear students, we have had an enough of break, enough of vacation, and you all also must be tired at home without any studies. So here we are back to the academic year, that is 2020-21. We will start our online teaching from today. So as per your timetable which your teacher has sent in the morning, today is the day when you are going to have the online session of English. Now I am your principal ma'am, Mrs. Shraddha Pazare Chauhan, who is going to take up English for you for this academic year till at least the lockdown opens. So I hope you all will cooperate and take the academics very, very seriously. Let's see. This is your textbook for the academic year. That is your standard 6. This is your cover page. Next is this is your page wherein all our textbooks which we basically use is published by MSCERT, that is Maharashtra government. Okay, this is your index. In your index you basically have voyages, the voyage 1, voyage 2, voyage 3, voyage 4. We will first pay attention to voyage 1 wherein we have 7 lessons in it, which is a mixture of poem, poetry and prose. So first we move on to our first poem, that is Don't Give Up. Now this is your poem which says Don't Give Up. Should I read the poetry for you first? Please pay attention to it. Okay? Don't Give Up by Phoebe Carey. If you have tried and have not won, never give up, never stop for crying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. Though young birds in flying, fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. So my dear students, this is the poetry. I will just summarize the poetry for you. The poem's name itself says don't give up. That means that never you should give up easily. Always keep on trying harder and harder, and some or the other time you are going to succeed. Okay, so in this poem the poet encourages us not to give up. She says that if we have tried to achieve something but not succeeded, we should not stop to cry. Okay, all the great and good things have been done just by keeping on trying patiently. She gives us an example of young birds. The birds fall when they are learning to fly, but their wings grow stronger, and the next time they try to fly, they can keep a little longer than before. The strong oak, that is the oak tree, has been bent by many storms, but has risen again and grown taller, stronger and prouder. The poet warns us that no one will value us if we win when we do something that is easy. The test that shows our strength is the one where we don't give up but gain victory after defeat. So my dear students, the poetess just wants to give us examples through the birds, through the trees, that in our life also certain times we have certain symptoms coming up, certain situations coming up where we shouldn't give up easily, but we should try harder and harder. As the birds, first time when they try to fly, it is obvious that they will fall. But do they? They always keep trying to keep harder and harder until they fly up high. Okay, so it is like us, my dear students. Once a failure is never a loss in your life, but failure is the key to success, wherein we can keep on learning and learning more things. Next example is about the oak tree. When there are storms, when there are winds, when there are rains, this tree is always bent, but after a particular time, the tree always stands stronger. So it is for us, my dear students. If you lose something, if you get lesser marks in some other subjects, or if there are certain emotional highs and lows in your life, you have to wait. Have patience, let the time go, and then stand strong enough to fight against it and gain success. Now, the poet in the last paragraph wants to tell us that it is very easy that, an easy way you take to get success, like by copying or by cheating people or by telling lies, then that success is of no use. Nobody is going to take account of it. But if you try harder by sincere and honest means and try your best, and then when you get the fruit of it, that is what is called as a great success. And that is why we should always have to follow the honest and sincere way in our life to gain things. And then, my students, here I end my first poem where it says, don't give up. So I'm going to send the photo of the poetry. You are going to write down the name of the poetry, write down the poetry down. If you want, you can draw the pictures, use pencil colors to decorate it, put the date, heading properly, okay? And then I will send you some word meanings and a little bit of assignment as we are just beginning with the session. So I hope, my dear students, you all take this very seriously. From the YouTube views, I will surely get to know how many students are serious about this and how many are not. So when the lockdown opens, your work should be completed subject-wise and day-wise. So my dear students, till next Monday, take care, stay home, stay healthy.